Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Messenger video call unstable connection problem. Try turning your camera off to improve your call quality problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Messenger application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 3. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search Messenger application. Update your Messenger application latest version. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. Step 5. Open your Messenger application. You can follow all of the steps to fix Messenger unstable connection problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.